What is the name?
Good morning, sir. My name is Anshuman.
Anshuman. Anshuman, please tell me about yourself.
Sir, my name is Anshuman Patel. My father's name is Sri Amrit Prat Patel. Basically, I am from Viva, Madhya Pradesh. About my family, I have four members in my family, including me, my fathers, and my mother, and I have siblings.
Okay. What have you done in your graduation?
Sir, I have completed my graduation from RGPV Bhopal in year 2023, and recently I had completed my full stack development certification course from Pro Skill Hub.
Okay. So, what are the languages you have covered during your full stack development certification?
During full stack development certification course, I have covered in front-end HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and in backend I have covered Ruby on Rails.
Okay. Why did you choose IT as your career?
Because the growth ratio is compared than other background is more than to in a IT sector.
Okay. And why did you choose Ruby as your backend language?
Because Ruby is easy to learn and open source. Ruby is a combination of Perl and Python, and Ruby can provide a more security level compared than other languages. That's why I chose Ruby as Ruby on Rails.
Okay. So, what are your hobbies, Anshuman?
Sir, my hobby is reading a new articles.
Okay. What are your strengths?
Sir, my strength is I am punctual and self-motivated and solution-oriented.
What are your weaknesses?
Sir, my weakness is my English was not good, but I am working on it. Read about new technology through the internet and pick up the words and use these words our daily life conversation.
Okay. So, Anshuman, what is Ruby on Rails?
Sir, Ruby is a collection of Perl and Python. Ruby is a object-oriented programming language, and on Rails is their framework.
Okay. What are symbols in Ruby?
Symbols is a data type. In a symbol, we can separate the value of the column. A symbol in symbol we can represent the value key and value pairs.
Okay. How do you define a class in Ruby?
So we define a class in Ruby with the help of keyword class, term class.
Explain the concept of modules in Ruby.
So module is like a class. A module in Ruby module can provide the facility to use a multiple inheritance because the Ruby cannot support the multiple inheritance. Firstly, we can write the module first module keyword then module name and then define the logics and code.
Okay. What is the use of getter and setter method?
Okay, sir. Getter setter method is used for the getter is used to get the value, and the setter method is used to set the value. They are used to for value set and get.
What is the difference between nil and false?
Sir, nil is a in nil we can nil can occupy the memory, and false is a data type, boolean data type. They can
Okay. What is block in Ruby?
sorry, sir.
What is MVC, model view controller?
Sir, we can follow the MVC pattern. Here the M stand for model can manage the data logics, and we can handle the how to represent our data in UI, and controller can manage the logic and connect with the model and view.
What is RESTful routing?
RESTful routing is a mapping between HTTP bus and action controller.
What is the purpose of asset pipeline?
So this pipeline is manage our assets like a JavaScript, CSS, and compress the application code, and improve the application of speed.
How do you generate a new Rails application?
We use the Rails new command, then
Okay. What is the difference between gem file and gem file dot log?
gem in gem file we can list our gem and run the bundle on gem file is a collection of gems, and gem file.log where the dependencies are fixed those we can use in our application.
What is the difference between render and redirect to?
The render in render those are used to change the layout. In render we can, if we use a render can change the URL, but redirect uh, or not change the our URL.
Okay. What is migration?
The migration is used to update our database schema.
Okay. What is the purpose of seeds.rb file?
Seeds.rb file is used to create our database without using console.
Okay.
Sir, create our database value without using Rails console.
Okay. What is association?
Sir, association is used to the connect to and more the model.
What is the role of active record in Rails? What is the role of active record?
Sir, active record can provide a facility to store our data, and there we can use their default library like ORM. ORM can provide a facility without writing SQL query. We can access our database with the help of Ruby object.
What is the difference between SQLite, MySQL, and PostgreSQL?
Sir, both are the database management system. SQLite is used in Ruby can provide a by default SQLite, and we can use MySQL and PostgreSQL. Our development of production stage.
Okay. What is the purpose of schema RB file?
The schema RB file is used to how to organize our database in our data. How to organize our data in our database.
How do you define a one-to-many relationship in active record?
Sir, firstly, we can pass the foreign key. So, if like a user has a many roles, so we can define a association like user belongs to role model and role has many users.
Okay, explain the concept of eager loading in active record.
So
Okay. So, what is the salary expectation, Anshuman?
sir, I'm looking for 4 to 5 LPA.
Done.